Hey there! Today we're diving into a pretty interesting problem revolving around UML and the concept of dependency. Have you ever wondered what it really means for one element to depend on another in a software system? Well, that's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. So, buckle up and let's unravel this dependency puzzle together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our dependency problem. According to the UML version 2.5.1 specifications, a dependency signifies a supplier-client relationship where the modification of a supplier can impact the client model elements. In simpler terms, if a certain element changes or disappears, other elements that depend on it will feel the ripple effects. So, in your examples, both class A and person.ts are indeed dependent on B and animal.ts respectively. If these dependencies were to break, chaos might ensue. In summary, dependencies in UML are crucial as they indicate how different elements rely on each other within a software system. Understanding these relationships can help us design more robust and interconnected systems. So, next time you're sketching out a UML diagram, pay close attention to these dependencies theory, the invisible threads holding everything together. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!